My name is Aisha Basi. So in this slide, my topic for presentation is Lahore and its history. And next slide, in the next forming slides, we come to know about the facts and figures about the Lahore. Some of the facts about Lahore. Then the next, in the forming slides, we will discuss introduction. Then next history, ruling dynasties, subdivision of Lahore, historical places and parks, Minar-e-Pakistan, Badshai Mosque, Jahangir Fort, Safari Park, and the next lifestyle of Lahore, festivals and arts, stadium and sports, education, healthcare centers, approaches to Lahore. That's it. First of all, the introduction about Lahore. So Lahore is the capital of Punjab and second largest city of Pakistan, and it lies along the river Ravi River, 25 kilometers from Wagah border, and 32 kilometers from Indian city Amritsar. About history, Lahore was known as Puri in ancient times, and in Sanskrit it is also known as City of Lava, which is also referred as Lo. In 1200 BC, Raja Lo was son of Sri Ram Chandraji, who was the hero of Mahabharata, established Lahore in his name. So Lahore is at least 2000 years old city, and its oldest documents were written among in 982 AD. These documents were translated into English by Vladimir Fedorovich Minosley and was published in Lahore in 1927 AD. In these documents, Lahore is referred to as a small city with impressive temples, large markets, and huge orchards. The originated document is currently held in original document is currently held in British Museum. These dynasties were the ruling dynasties on Lahore. These dynasties are Mughal era, Sikh rule, Ghaznavi Empire, British Empire, and then partition of India, and then there is the post-independence era, divided into these divisions, old and new Lahore. Like subdivision of Lahore is old Lahore is divided into historical artifacts, then legendary places enclosed by walls, Lahore Fort, Badshai Mosque. Then there is the new Lahore, posh buildings and shopping malls. As far as historical places and parks are concerned, there is the Minar-e-Pakistan, Badshai Mosque, Jahangir Fort, Lahore Museum, Shalimar Bagh, Bagh-e-Jinnah, Baradari, Iqbal Park, Race Course Park, and Safari Park. Pakistan is an important aspect for Lahore, and it is an important event for Lahore, and it is an important monument for Lahore. It was established on 21 October 1968, and it was designed by Nasruddin Murad Khan. Badshai Mosque is also an important figure of Lahore, and it increases the beauty of Lahore. It was built by Emperor Aurangzeb during 1671 to 1673. Fort is the next one, important figure, and it was established during 1624 to 1631. It was built by Jahangir and his sons Shah Jahan. Safari Park was known as Wildlife Park, and it was established on January 21, 2009 as Wildlife Park. So first it was during that time 1981, and now it is Lahore Zoo Safari, and it is like commercial drive-in tourist attraction where visitors can drive their own vehicles or ride in vehicles provided by the faculty to observe freely roaming animals. Next slide is basically based on geographical and economical conditions of Lahore, where there is the climate changes and climate is included, and there are different type of industries included in economical conditions and geographical, whereas area of Lahore and weather and seasons are included in this section, where area of Lahore is approximately 35 kilometers, and it is divided in canal system. Weather is tropical, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Pakistan has 4 seasons, and Lahore is also blessed with the 4 seasons as well. Temperature is lowest 2 degrees centigrade, and highest is 48 degrees centigrade. A summer season is highly predictable in Lahore as compared to the winter season. So, as far as economical conditions are concerned, different types of industries are established in these centers, and 20% of Pakistan's industrial producers are engineering, textile, cottage industries, rubber, iron and steel, and handicrafts. So basically, 20% of economical conditions are dependent on these six categories included in the slide as economical condition. Many historical bazaars or historical places or historical markets in Lahore. Lahore is enriched by historical markets or historical bazaars like Kashmiri Bazaar, Itra Bazaar, Urdu Bazaar, Anarkali Bazaar, Rang Mahal, Mall Road, Delegate, and Library Market. As far as lifestyle of Lahoris are concerned, people love to live in joint families. As you know, that Pakistan is a system is its religious impact on the families that we live in joint families mostly. And next is the food. Food is goga ke chane, lassi, and halwa puri in the morning, and other food like lamb, chicken, fish, beef, and shawarma. Koreans are famous for their food cravings. They are very much fascinated by food, and Western Eastern clothes are in practice, and huge gathering of relatives and friends at different functions are being practiced. There is a famous saying among us that जिसने लाहौर नहीं देखा वो पैदा ही नहीं हुआ. So Lahore is famous for its festival and art system. So there is the parade, Mela Charaga, Charaga, Eid Miladun Nabi, Basan, Muslim of Ali Hajveri, literature, religious, music, filmmaking, and gardening. These are the few concepts of them. They celebrate their festivals, and famous one is Basant among them, and many Mela Charaga and parade, etc. In this slide, we will let you know about the stadium and sports system in Lahore. Stadiums are like Gaddafi Stadium, Punjab Stadium, Hockey Stadium, whereas sports in Lahore is cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi, and many more. There are being practicing in Lahore. As far as education is concerned, Lahore is called city of colleges, like colleges ka hub. Famous colleges are Punjab College, and famous destinations or famous places of Punjab University, FC colleges, and Fatima Jinnah Medical College, King Edward Medical College, Allama Iqbal Medical College, and there are many more. Like this is the city of colleges. So about healthcare, there are many hospitals, and there are many good hospitals in Lahore, as well as national and international hospitals like General Hospital, Jinnah Hospital, PIC Hospital, CMH Hospital, Lahore, and Sir Gangaram Hospital, Sheikh Zayed Hospital, MAO Hospital, and Children Hospital. You can approach to Lahore by many ways, like by air, by road, by water, also any other thing. By air, railway stations, Jetty Road, motorway, and Multan Road. So these slides were part of my project, and these slides were very important. I hope all of you find these good for your information and as well as for my marking. And I hope I will get good grades from you people. And thank you so much.